Hello everyone, welcome back to the English Birdie. Today we are going to learn about English grammar. English grammar का मतलब क्या होता है? English grammar का मतलब होता है English बोलने और लिखने के रूल्स. जैसे कि कौन सा वर्ड कहाँ होगा, सेंटेंस का ऑर्डर क्या होगा, पास्ट, प्रेजेंट या फ्यूचर कैसे बोलेंगे. इन शॉर्ट, ग्रामर इज इक्वल टू इंग्लिश की बैकबोन. चलो अब सीखते हैं कि इंग्लिश ग्रामर में क्या क्या होता है. फर्स्ट कम्स पार्ट ऑफ द स्पीच. इनका मतलब होता है वर्ड्स के टाइप. Parts of the speech in English are the categories that show how words are used in a sentence. They help us understand the role of each word, such as naming something, showing action, or describing a quality. English में 8 main parts of speech होते हैं, जैसे कि nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions and interjections. अब थोड़ा सा इनके बारे में हम डिटेल में सीखते हैं. रेस्ट हम अपनी कमिंग वीडियोस में सीखेंगे. पहले आते हैं नाउन. नाउन यानी कि नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग और एन आइडिया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बॉय, गर्ल, मुंबई, इंडिया, बुक, phone, happiness, freedom. Ram is a boy. Here, अगर किसी चीज़ का नाम है, that means it's a noun. It tells us what or whom we are talking about in a sentence. Then comes pronoun. A pronoun is used in a place of a noun to avoid repetition. In short, noun का replacement. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Ria is my friend. She is kind. Here, she is pronoun, which is a replacement of a noun, Ria. Pronouns helps make sentence shorter and smoother. Then comes verbs. A verb shows an action or a state of being. In simple terms, हम कह सकते हैं काम या सिचुएशन बताने वाले शब्द. For example, eat, run, study, is, am, are. I am learning English. Here, learning is an verb. Without a verb, a sentence is not complete. Verb tells what the subject is doing or what condition it is in. Then comes adjectives. Adjectives describes a noun or a pronoun. In simple word, we can say noun या pronoun की quality बताने वाले. For example, big, small, happy, sad, red, beautiful. She has a beautiful dress. Here, beautiful is an adjective which is coming next to the noun which is dress. And she is a pronoun. Adjectives हमेशा noun के पास होते हैं. Adjectives gives more information about quality, size, color or number. Then comes adverbs. Verb को describe करने वाले. In English, we can say an adverb describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, quickly, slowly, very, allows, here, yesterday. He speaks clearly. Many adverbs end in ly, like quickly, clearly, slowly. A quick tip. It tells how, when, where, or how often something happens. Then comes prepositions. Prepositions shows the relationship between a noun and another word. इसको हम सिंपल में ये भी कह सकते हैं दो वर्ड्स के बीच का रिलेशन बताने वाले वर्ड्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन, ऑन, अंडर, एट, टू, फ्रॉम, बिटवीन, बिहाइंड. द बुक इज ऑन द टेबल. हियर preposition इज ऑन. वो किताब टेबल के ऊपर है. preposition is also known as position word. It often tells position, place, time, or direction. Then comes conjunctions. Conjunctions joins words, phrases, or sentences together. इनको हम जोड़ने वाले वर्ड्स कहते हैं. वर्ड्स या सेंटेंस को जॉइन करता है ये वर्ड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एंड, बट, और, बिकॉज, सो. आई ट्राइड बट आई फेल्ड. हियर बट इज इक्वल टू कॉन्ट्रास्ट. मैंने कोशिश करी बट मैं फेल हो गया. A quick tip: it helps connect ideas smoothly. Then comes the eighth part of the parts of speech, that is interjections. An interjection expresses a sudden feeling or emotion. यानी कि फीलिंग या इमोशन दिखाने वाले शब्द, जैसे कि वाव, ओह, हे, अलास. Wow, that's an amazing. Mostly it comes at the start of a sentence. Like in this sentence, wow, that's amazing. Here, wow with an exclamation mark is an interjection. It's expressing my emotion that I liked it. It is an often followed by an exclamation mark, as I tell. Then comes the second part of English grammar, which is tenses. Tenses in English shows the time when an action happens. They help us understand whether something happens in present, past, or future. Using the correct tense makes the meaning of a sentence clear. Like प्रेजेंट टेंस, यानी कि अभी, जो अभी में हो रहा है. आई ईट फूड. देन कम्स पास्ट टेंस, जो पहले हुआ है. आई एट फूड. देन कम्स फ्यूचर, जो बाद में होगा. आई विल ईट फूड. अगर टेंस गलत तो पूरे सेंटेंस का मीनिंग गलत हो जाता है. Then comes the third part of the grammar, that is sentence structure. In simple we can say sentence बनाने का formula. The order in which words are arranged to form a sentence is called sentence structure. हमेशा subject plus verb plus object होगा. For example, I learn English. Here, I is a subject, learn is a verb, English is an object. We can never say learn I English. That is wrong English. Verb will come on the second place as an after subject. Then comes the fourth part of the English grammar, which is articles. Articles as in a, an, and the. Articles are the words used before nouns to show whether something is specific or general. A and an are used for general or non-specific nouns, while The is used for specific nouns. There are many more rules that come in English grammar. We will cover those in our upcoming videos. Also, we will be going to learn in detail about the rules that we have just learned. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep practicing, keep improving, and remember, English gets easier every day. See you in the next video with the English Birdie.